Hello guys, welcome back to Mom's Medicine. Today I'm making an infused hair tonic for longer, stronger, and extreme hair growth. I'm going to use guava leaf, star anise, and chamomile. The vitamin C content present in guava leaves can improve collagen activity, aiding in hair growth, and can also be used as a thickening agent. Vitamin C also acts like an antioxidant that helps to neutralize the free radicals and protects your hair from excess environmental damage. The shikimic acid found in star anise oil is recognized as having advantages for hair growth. Its essential oil is packed with nutrients that help boost blood circulation to your scalp. Chamomile is known to brighten up those sun-faded tresses. It helps to promote hair strength. Use after your shampoo. Do not rinse. For best results, use daily.